In front of me is HONOR Pad X8a, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off location. Begin by going into Tab menu and looking for Location shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is gray, which means that location is off. To turn it on, tap on the same one. If you want to, you can also go into Devices settings and scroll to tap on Location section over here. Then use this switcher to manage it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!